Hello and welcome to our app Brain Breeze demo presentation. So what is Brain Breeze? Brain Breeze is a cross-platform mobile app for learning that was built with React Native for frontend and Express and AWS for the backend. So you as a user logging in will be able to either design a course filled with text, video, and quizzes for other people to learn, or you can just log in as a student and learn to your heart extent. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you what the student view is going to look like. I'm going to log in. So when you log in as a student, you are met with a nice little animation for intro. From here, you can click on dashboard to see the different courses that you have already enrolled in. So right now I have figure drawing for beginner and intelligence system that I have already enrolled in. You can also go to profile to see more details about your account. You can go to setting. From here, you can change things like change email or change password or even log out. So I'm going to start with the search functionality. So in here, let's say if I am a user who's interested in learning more about psychology, so all I have to do is to put in psychology in the search bar and click on search. Looks like there is a course called Psychology Deep Dive into the Mind already. So I'm going to click on it. From here, you can see the enroll option. This is a psychology course. I'm going to click on it. Enrollment accepted. And here I am. I am inside the course itself. So Psychology Deep Dive into the Mind, a course has 4 different modules, big modules that I can learn. And inside each of these modules, there's smaller lessons. So right now, module 1 talks about the chemical mind, which has 2 lessons. It's called the messenger system and the limbic system. Module 2 has cognition and emotion. Module 3 goes over the different personality disorders like bipolar, depression, schizophrenia. Module 4 about social psychology. Let's check out one of them. So I'm going to check out the messenger system. Inside the messenger system, there are 2 items that need to be completed. This one talks about the endocrine system, and this one talks about more about the nervous system. I'm going to click on the first item. So each of the item that needs to be completed will consist of a video, a text, and a quiz. So a video right now, it has a video that talks more about the endocrine system and the chemical mind. If you click on it, you would be able to watch the video. And after you have finished watching that, you can read more about the material. This text talks more about the different glands inside the endocrine system, like the pineal body, pituitary, the adrenal gland, pancreas, all sort of things. And then once you feel like you have a pretty good understanding of the material, just click on quiz. And here you will have a series of quiz questions that will be able to test your understanding of the material. So right now, the first question is, which of the following is a functionality of the pituitary gland? So if you read the text, you will be able to know the answer, which is regulate all other endocrine glands. Click on that, it gives you the correct answer. I'm gonna click on next. Which of the following is not part of the nervous system? So I think it's that one, yes. And then as you can see, you can just finish your quiz. And if you get a good enough score, it'll give you an option to save your progress. And what that does is that it's going to put a green check mark on your item, indicating that you have completed that item. Again, you can try other cars. Each car will have its own video and different text. So this one talks more about the nervous system, which has 2 main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. And it has its own quiz as well. And that's what a course looks like with Brain Breeze. Let's check out other courses. So right now, if say instead of psychology, if some user who's more interested in creative writing, looks like there's already a course called Creative Writing for Beginner. I'm gonna try to enroll in this course. Enroll, sweet. So as you can see here inside, there's also 4 modules. This one talks about narration. This one talks about the argumentation essays. And then the lesson will include things like recognizing the different fallacies in argumentation, using Talman logic and all that. So that's what it looks like as a student. As you can see, you can drop courses, enroll in courses, and study, participate in quizzes, watch video. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like as a instructor, or how you would be able to design your own course. So I'm going to log in as an instructor account. Again, you are met with a nice little animation here. From here, if you click on dashboard, here are the different courses that you created as a user. So right now I have created psychology deep dive into the mind, creative writing. These are the courses that we have already seen before. I'm going to click on psychology. Gives you a quick overview here. I'm going to click on the edit button. From here, you can edit the course name, the course description. You can also edit the different modules. So from here, you can add new modules. You can add new lesson into that module. You can change the module name by just editing the text here. So let's see what one of it gonna look like. So I'm gonna click on the messenger system here. So in here are the different lessons, the items that you're gonna have to, the student gonna have to complete. So previously we saw that it has the endocrine system core and the nervous system core. So you can add new in there, or you can just delete it. So right now I'm gonna let's check out how I'm gonna be able to edit the first core. So in here you can change your the core name here. You can also change what video goes in here by using add content. Here you can just put like a YouTube video here, and it's gonna update accordingly to the student. Here you can also change the different text as well. Here you can edit the quizzes. So you can input the question here, the answers. You can select which of these options is the correct answer by using the radio button here. You can add new questions to your quiz. Right now, I already have 7 questions. I'm gonna delete some of them, or you can save. So essentially, a user will have full control of what goes into their course, like module, quiz, video, text, the whole 9 yards. So with that concludes